Creating a project template in Asana allows you to streamline processes, standardize workflows, and ensure consistency across projects. Here's how to create a project template. Set up a project. Create a new project in Asana that will serve as your template. Include standard sections, tasks, and any necessary details that are common across similar projects. Add tasks and sections. Populate the project template with tasks, subtasks, and sections that outline the steps and milestones required for the project. Organize tasks logically to reflect the project's workflow. Include assignees and due dates. Assign tasks to team members and set due dates where applicable within the template. This helps streamline task allocation and scheduling in future projects. Utilize task descriptions and attachments. Provide detailed task descriptions, attach relevant files or documents, and include any necessary instructions or guidelines. This ensures clarity and consistency in task execution. Save as template. Once your project template is complete, use Asana's Save as Template feature. This option is typically found in the Project Options menu in the project header. Use template for new projects. When starting a new project based on the template, select Use Template when creating a new project in Asana. Customize details specific to the new project while retaining the standardized structure and tasks from the template.